Chapter 5, Topic 5.6, Viruses and Human Health. In this topic, we'll be discussing the effects on human health that viruses have and treatment options. At the end of this recorded lecture, you should be able to analyze the relative importance of viruses in human infection and disease, and discuss the primary reason that antiviral drugs are more difficult to design than antibacterial drugs. Viruses have caused death and disability for the entirety of recorded history. I'll leave you to look over the table of virally caused diseases. Don't memorize it, but get an idea of the level of disease viruses cause. Some diseases that have unknown causes, such as some cancers, type 1 diabetes, and some autoimmune diseases, are now linked to viruses. It will be interesting to see if we do find viruses to be the cause. Personally, I hope so, because we can fight those diseases with vaccines. The best treatment for a viral infection is to boost the immune system so that, once you're infected, your immune system defeats the virus before you become ill. Of course, I'm talking about vaccines. Once the virus is in your cell, it is very hard to fight. Most antiviral drugs have to be tailor-made to a specific step in the replication cycle of a specific virus. That means you have to know what the virus is, and there are often side effects if you kill a lot of virally infected cells. In 2011, we came up with the first broad-spectrum antiviral treatment. By broad-spectrum, we mean it will work against any virus. It is called double-stranded RNA activated capsase oligomerizer, or Draco for short. Whoa, I just had a Harry Potter moment there. Draco stimulates any virally infected cell to self-destruct, taking the unfinished viruses with it. This is pretty cool. Once this treatment is cleared by the FDA and it becomes in common use, then we will have a broad-spectrum antiviral treatment, make treating viruses similar to treating bacterial infections. We have had broad-spectrum antibacterial agents for many, many years. Part of the reason why is bacteria grow outside of your cells, so we can attack things that are unique to bacteria, like their cell walls, like the shape of their ribosome. Whereas with viruses, up until the advent of Draco, we had to tailor-make the antiviral to hit just certain steps of the virus while leaving the rest of the cell alone while the virus was taking over the cell. You can see the problems. Hope is on the horizon. Well, we didn't spend very long on that topic, but hopefully we have covered the objectives, which are analyze the relative importance of viruses in human infection and disease, and discussing the primary reason that antiviral drugs are more difficult to design than antibacterial drugs.